Welcome to episode 5 of Jobs That AI Can. I'm here with my friend Sam of Trinitatis Health. He's convinced me to take some preventative shots, not drinking ones, but actual medicine. I've done some research myself on ChatGPT and for years, and I have not moved forward. But I met Sam at Goldman Sachs 10K Small Business. He's always showing up with his A game, always high energy, positive. So I'm like, what is helping you do this? And he explained to me, I'm taking these shots, and here he is today to convince me to do it for the first time.
Hi everybody, good evening. My name is Samuel from Trinitatis Health. So today I'm going to talk about two shots, NAD and glutathione. So NAD plus is good because it's a form of detox, and it's for people that's going through brain fog or memory loss or pre-dementia. And it also regenerates the neurons in the body and the nervous system and the brain cells as well. And it also works by detoxifying the blood and therefore resulting in anti-aging properties. And also glutathione, which is the master antioxidant in the body. As we age, we stop making NAD plus, so that way we age faster, we get more lethargic, we get more senile, and we get more basically toxicated. So if you're taking basically a lot of medication and you're not detoxifying your body, in the long run, your liver and your kidneys is gonna pay the higher price. With glutathione detoxifies the body, and remember, it's the master antioxidant in the body. So it removes free radicals, it cleanses the kidneys, the liver, and it brings it back to a healthier state. So again, we're going to show you the first, second, and third step in taking glutathione and also NAD. Okay, so back to my good friend G.
You prepped me about all the side effects and things and what to expect, and because
Correct.
you have taken them in the past and
Correct.
you have good experiences, I think
Correct.
that's what makes me feel good about it, right? It's one thing that I read. Sure, there's data on ChatGPT saying, hey, people are saying this and the consensus is that.
Correct.
But having human beings saying, hey, listen, I've done this and this is my experience, and I believe you will have a similar experience, makes me feel more convinced that I want to do it. But it takes a human to human
Correct,
to really get there. At least for me,
exactly.
Right?
With human to human interaction, it's more relatable, you're more calm, you're more focused, and we can share emotions. If you feel I'm afraid or I'm this or I'm that, and I can relate to you, and I can calm you down and calm the anxiety. Compared to a robot, he's just gonna grab you and then boom, So there is no feelings, there is no human to human interaction. Is get it done. He doesn't care if you're afraid or if this is your first time. He's programmed to do this, he'll do it. But with us, taking this type of medication, there is no side effect. The only side effect I would say is positive side effect. And you can take this as often as your doctor recommend. And there's great results in it. And people that have taken glutathione and NAD, they have great testimonies, and they're more focused at work, and they're more calm and at ease. To the blood cells. So that's the only reason, but it doesn't cause any bad side effect at all. With NAD, you might feel a little bit of rush and you might feel a little bit of stomach ache, but that's about it. It's because NAD is a big molecule compared to, apart from that, everything is positive. Let's do this. Okay. So let's start with glutathione, okay? I've already prepped the needle and I've already pulled the amount of glutathione in this syringe here. So we're gonna do it on this side here, okay? Let's do it. All right, so I'm going to flush the needle slightly, a little bit, to get the air out. There we go. So bevel up, and here we go. 1, 2, take a deep breath, go. That's it, and let's inject. Might feel a little bit of slight burn, but apart from that, you are all good to go. And I'm gonna take out the needle on 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I'm just gonna wipe down any excess blood that's there, and we're good to go. All right, next is the NAD, okay? So we'll do the other arm.
Okay.
Here we go. Now again, NAD is a bigger molecule, so the patient might feel a little bit of, but apart from that, there is no negative side effect. Everything from there is positive. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, while this is going into her arm, she may feel slight burn because of the NAD, but after that, that's it. Okay, we're pulling it out. Now let's rub down any excess blood, and that's all. How do you feel? You feel the little rush?
It's like the adrenaline rush.
Exactly. You feel the rush, but apart from that, the rush is because the body's taking NAD and utilizing it right away. So now this shot is good for 1 week. So the next time she may need this again is next week, same day, same time. But we know how America can be busy, so it may not be the same time, but same day definitely. All right.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to like see
See the benefit of it. Correct.
Well, thank you again, Sam of Trinitatis Health. I'll have his details in the bottom if you want to reach out to him.
Thank you, everyone.